Good evening, everybody. John Verge here for JJV Productions. Continuing with the update of rebuilding Oakland Court. Well, that's it, you all. There are no more homes on the Academy Street area. They all have been bulldozed, but they hadn't been cleaned out yet. They're making way for new homes, courtesy of the Murfreesboro Housing Authority. Saying goodbye to these homes that's been around since 1960 has been demolished, with some of these still intact. But that's what you're seeing right now is all open field from across the street in this and a lonely Academy Street. And dogs barking. These are going to be newly development homes coming up sometimes in 2021 or 2022, give or take. Stay tuned for more further updates. This has been a JJV production.